Well, good morning, everybody. Jen Kravasi at Jekyll Baits, and it has been way too long since I have seen you guys. But hey, it's tournament season, so there's been a whole lot going on. Want to start out with why I haven't been around. It's not for lack of work. I've been pretty much slammed. This is the time of year when I'm doing custom repaints and customs for my tournament anglers. That's getting ready to go out the door today. And I'm also testing new patterns. So we're going to show you a couple of things. This is the brand new Pickerel Pattern. Not just for northern waters, we have them here in Arkansas. Pickerel are tasty morsels for bass, especially when they're juveniles. This is a foiled holographic, and then that fluorescent green on the bottom. I'm also doing it in the non-foiled. Got those really cool dragon eyes on them. Just a real fun pattern to paint. And topwater season is right around the corner. This next bait is it's the Duo Style M65. Let's see if we can get the camera to focus. There we go. We've got this gold yellow fading down to a purple. It's got the pearlescent in it, so it's very shiny. And I've got that veined over green, so it's got a green base layer on it. It is rock crawler season, y'all. Lots of patterns. Oh, if I can keep it in my hands. Lots of good patterns coming out with rock crawlers this year. From here, not from Spro's got great colors, don't get me wrong. These kind of go together, but this is a much deeper purple. Let's see if we can get this up here. In which light do we want to put it in? There we go. It's got chrome eyes, also has the veining in it. Fades down to a chartreuse. This is a pattern that I'm going to be testing today. If it ever stops raining, folks, it's been raining here in Arkansas for, I want to say, 3 weeks. The ground just got dry enough yesterday to where we could play with the dogs, but that all went away. It's about 4 o'clock in the morning out here right now, and it's raining. This is the Whitney point pattern, also for some customers. And I've kind of reworked my glacier pattern. I love to do translucent baits in jerkbait patterns. And this is, of course, on a 120 SP Duo Realis style bait. And just a few others. This is the Northern Waters Shad. I've got a couple of, these are actually going to the same customer. I've got a couple of 120s. That look strikingly familiar to those S-cranks right there. So those are all going out. This is going out today. This is a Strike King. And I do a lot of custom Strike King work. It's one of my favorite baits. I mean, they're just for the for the money you pay for a Strike King, you really do get a lot for your money. And there we have it. And let's talk about staying simple. This time of year, it's early spring, early spring. It's first week of March, maybe the second. Now it's the first week of March. Just a very simple gold fade up into a red, a little bit black on the nose. This is going to catch them this time of year. Twitch, twitch, pause. And then the signature veining on these guys. So it's good to see you guys again. I hope you've enjoyed looking at the patterns this morning. Thanks very much for hanging out with me. There are plenty of fishing videos to come. To be honest, I have not been on the water. I've been right here in the workshop busting out baits for customers. It's what pays the bills. And if you're interested in these patterns and much, much more, go to www.jekylbaits.com. We'll see you on the next one. Later.